Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Kezia. And today I'm going to be unboxing my new MacBook Air with the M1 chip. I ordered mine from Best Buy because I was looking to have it shipped to me from Apple, but I chose to order it on Best Buy. I have a PO box due to where I live in BC, and I also have a UPS mailbox. Apple does not ship directly to a PO box, so I looked into having it shipped to my secondary mailbox, which is the UPS. I ended up going with Best Buy because I have purchased things from Best Buy and I've had it shipped to PO box, but again, I was this time ordering it and having it shipped to my UPS mailbox. Anyways, guys, it's obviously here, so it made it in one piece. I'm super excited. I don't know everything about the MacBooks. I just know that I like them and I needed a new one, and I knew that waiting for the M1 was what you should do if you're planning on getting a MacBook. So I've been looking and waiting for a while, and the time was right. So we got one. My husband bought this for me, so thank you to him. He knows I've been struggling. I want to show you guys what I've been using. So I've been using this MacBook Pro. It's really old. It's like super heavy. This is what I've been using to edit most of my videos. I also have a desktop iMac, but like look at the side. I got something stuck in it one time and I literally like ripped the metal open. Anyways, I haven't opened it, so this is 100% authentic unboxing. If you want the specific details, I don't know if I'll be able to offer that to you, but I can show you what I have here. So this is the box. This is how it is shipped. Ooh, it's a pretty tiny box. I'm so excited. Pretty lightweight, but it's significant weight for what it is. I chose the gold color, but it's more like a rose, dusty rose color, which I love. And we're gonna put it on the table, so we're gonna move the camera angle to the table so we can get a better look at what it is. I will come back and do an update and let you guys know how I'm liking this MacBook if you guys are interested. So definitely leave some questions below. If I can answer them, I will. Unfortunately, I'm not a super knowledgeable Apple product user, but I'll just let you know whether or not I like it. Like the common questions that I can answer, I will do that. So tiny. It's so small. It looks like a tablet. I can't believe this is like an entire computer. Ooh. Man, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful. Ooh. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's all set up for, you know, just your regular use. It's so thin. I have to buy a case for it because I can already tell like I'm gonna scratch the shit out of it, and I don't want to do that, so I'm gonna get a case from Amazon. But yeah guys, this is the quick review unboxing. This is what it looks like. This is what the back looks like, side profile, and yeah, I'm gonna mess around with it and let you guys know what my thoughts are about a week or a month from now. We'll see what happens. Until next time guys, bye.